Good morning, Graham Dossel, MyCRA Lawyers. Well, I did a video yesterday about the ending of the 100% money back guarantee that's coming up, well now, it's tomorrow. And that seemed to step things up a little bit because we had an entire server crash. Now, our website's normally busy, as you can probably imagine, and our phone system as well. But yesterday, everything was going on smoothly until late in the afternoon, and then bang! Everything just went puh. So thank you very much for those who persisted until we got things back on track. And if you didn't get through yesterday, please call again today or go back to the website. Fingers crossed it's working properly now, because I was up with the techs until, I think I left the office about 11:30 last night. It was a bit of fun, but we got it working. That's the main thing. And it looked really good when I left last night. So please try again. So the 100% money back guarantee, as I said, we normally have a 91.6% removal resolution rate, and that's been independently externally audited. We're the only specialist credit repair law firm in the country. That just basically means, all those figures, all that means is that we're really, really good at removing defaults. Our lawyers are without question the best in the country at what we do, and we get them removed, and that little extra tidbit right now of the money back guarantee means that if you're a little bit nervous, or you've got a client that's a little bit nervous about, should I do this, shouldn't I, been ripped off by one of those dodgy buggers out there, once burnt, twice shy, all that, well, this means that do it now, because if you start before 4 p.m. on Friday, for any consumer defaults, if it doesn't get removed, you get your money back. Why not do it now? It just makes a lot of sense. So anyway, thank you for those who were persistent yesterday. You did get through. For those who, for whatever reason, couldn't get through, or were persistent but still couldn't get through, come back today. We'll take your call. We'll get you on board, get you started, so that you get that 100% money back guarantee, and get your defaults removed. Some, actually, 29.4% in 7 days or less. That's pretty good. Okay, give us a call and we'll get things started. That's Graham Dossel, MyCRA Lawyers, 1300 667 218, or mycralawyers.com.au. Thanks, guys.